Okay, today we'll be reviewing the Black Panther. I will be speaking two languages because it's easier this way. Hoy vamos a revisar The Black Panther o la Pantera Negra. Very nice drawing there. They came with the model. The model comes in resin. El modelo viene en resina. Viene en tres partes. It comes in three parts. It's the cape. Esta la capa. There is the body. The figurine. There he is. There are the back. That will stand him up. Eso es lo que lo va a poner en la base, on the base. That's where the cape goes. Very well done. And here's the base. Aquí está la base. Resina también. Resin also. Hollow. But the detail is amazing. El hueco y los detalles son increíbles. All the details there. Let's see if I could focus. A ver si podemos enfocar los detalles. Ahí está. There the details. This is the base. Esta es la base. Es el ojo. The eye, the ears. Oh, great details. It's very nicely done. Muy bien hecho los detalles. Muy detallado. And the rest is here, the arms. I didn't want to take it out of the plastic. My loosen. Están las manos. Quería sacarlo de plástico porque quizás las pueda perder. Y otras partes de las hojas, and the rest of the parts are there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 parts. Vienen 7 partes. Muy sofisticado. Very well done. Now there are some flaws. Hay unos errores. For ejemplo, I could see seam lines on the shoulder. I don't think in the right here. Sí, ahí hay líneas de separación. And there are some more lines here. On the other shoulder, have them too. Right there. There. And the part of the face too. On the bottom. The face, parte de la cara también tiene seams like ahí on the neck, going all the way up to there. From there, desde el cuello para atrás hasta el cuello al frente, up to there. I mean, nothing. It's not hard to do. It's not hard to fix. No hay nada que sea difícil de arreglar. But that's the only flaws that I see. And I think it's a great statue. Es una gran estatua. So I'm gonna put it together. Well, let me just put it together right now to see how big it is. Vamos a poner la junta para ver cuán grande es. There. It's fixed together. Put it here. The black background. Okay. This is gonna be looking great. Esto se va a ver good, very good looking statue. muy buena. Se ve de lo más bien. Great size. It's most like, I mean, mucha luz que viene. Pero wow. Okay, let's measurement. Vamos a medirla. Y mide, measurements are as high as 12 inches, about 12 inches. And the base would be from the nose to the back about 8 inches. So there you have it. 12 pulgadas con 8, 12 by 8. Great looking statue. Thank you for watching. Gracias por mirar este video. Bye.